Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet coming back to you in the kitchen with another awesome video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a really healthy dish, and it's shrimp and broccoli, okay? So let me show you an Oriental version of how to make it. So let's get into this video right now. Alright, so we're going to start with our shrimp. So this is jumbo shrimp, and nice size, okay? These are freshly washed. Alright, so what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of my pink Himalayan salt on there. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to leave this on the side so it can marinate a little bit. Okay, this is freshly washed broccoli. Now I used 6 bushels. Okay, being that I'm cooking for a big family, I need this. So we're going to fill up on the vegetables. Alright, so what we're going to do first, I'm going to turn our flame on, and what I'm going to do is put in 1/4 cup of my water. I should actually put a 1/2 cup. Let me do another one. Alright, so I'm putting in 1/2 cup of water into the pan. So I'm just going to allow my pan with water to heat. Okay, so now that my pan is actually getting a little hot, I'm just going to put my broccoli inside of it. And we're going to pre-cook the broccoli. You may want to chop your stalks down a little bit more. Okay. Alright, and I'm just going to cover this and let it simmer a little bit. Okay. So next, I'm going to cut my garlic and my scallions. So let's start with the garlic. Okay. Just going to deshell these. So you're going to take at least 5 or 6 garlic pieces and take the shells off, or the skin. Okay, and then we're just going to chop this up. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on the side. Next I'm going to take my scallions, and I'm only going to use the white part. So we're going to take off the heads. Okay. Alright. And basically you're going to steam your broccoli to your desired texture. Okay. Now this is still a little hard, so I'm going to let this finish steaming down a little bit. In the meantime, let's get back to our scallions. Okay, so you're just going to take only the white part of your scallions. Okay. I'm just going to put these on the side. And then you're going to chop up your scallions. And I'm not a chef, y'all, so don't laugh at my skills. Alright, you guys, I'm so sorry. There is no white onion in this recipe. Alright, so it's just the green onions and the garlic. Okay, so I'm going to take all of my green onions and put that inside my bowl. And then I'm going to take half of my garlic and put that also inside my bowl. Okay. Alright, let's go check on the broccoli and make sure that that's not overly cooking. Okay. Just test a little bit. All right, that's perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is drain the water out of my pan. Okay, so we're back. Now what we're going to do is in our bowl with our scallions and garlic, I'm going to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of my light soy sauce, or my soy sauce Ikon. I'll put that in here. You know what? There's nothing left, so I might as well just finish it. Next, I'm going to add in my hot sesame sauce. Okay. And I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of that in there. I'm also going to add in some of my cornstarch. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons because it really requires 1, but being that I'm cooking for a large family, I'm going to use 2. I'm also going to add in some of my pink Himalayas. Just a little bit of that. And about 1/2 cup Matter of fact, let me get another one. Okay. And stir that in really well. Now you may want to taste your sauce just to make sure that it has the right amount of flavoring in it. Okay. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is add in some of my red pepper flakes, because you know your girl likes it spicy. So I'm just going to add in maybe about a teaspoon of that in there. Okay. And I'm going to put this on the side and start my pan up. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and my pan is ready. So I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of my cooking oil, my extra virgin cooking oil in there. And then I'm going to take my garlic and I'm going to start. Okay, start cooking my garlic. Alright, so the other half of the garlic that I separated, I'm just going to saute that in the oil. Okay, now that my garlic is a little bit brown, okay, now I'm going to add in my shrimp. Now we're just going to saute our shrimp until it gets that pinkish little color. And I'm just going to turn my pan up a little higher. Now we're going to add in our broccoli. Okay. All right, and now we're going to add in the sauce. Okay, and I'm going to keep doing this until it's cooked, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, you guys. A wonderful, delicious shrimp and broccoli. And it smells so good in here. Delicious. All right, you guys, so there you have it. And I'm going to serve this over a bed of brown rice, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey, who don't know what to eat, okay? And these are wonderful meal ideas for you while you're on your weight loss journey. And also, you guys, check down below for links for the herbs and spices that I've been showcasing in my other videos that will help you to boost your immune system and also help you to lose that weight, okay? Check down below. I have links in my eBay store is where you will find it. Also, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and more, okay? And you guys, don't forget, be safe, and until the next time, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Vlogs introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.